So you might notice that you're not having the airflow that you used to have. So you go in to open the door to your air conditioner and you look and it looks like Frosty the Snowman's in there. And you're wondering what's going on there. Well, today we're going to talk about what causes that and what to do about it. Hey, welcome back. I'm Kevin with Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning. So you're looking at Frosty the Snowman here and you're wondering what's causing this. Well, typically it's airflow. Airflow gets restricted somehow and it will cause that system to ice over every time. So that's the thing that I'm gonna look for first is the airflow. Maybe you can look yourself, check your filter, had it been replaced. The other thing is you could have too many registers closed in the house. That happens a lot where people, well, I don't want to cool that room or heat that room, or they forget about it and they closed a bunch of them and the air can't go anywhere. So the unit starts to ice over. One of the other causes too is it could be simple, like you have your return air grill where the air comes into the system. People put boxes in front of it or a piece of furniture in front of it and it can't breathe. If your system can't breathe, it's gonna ice over. One of the other causes though could be, you could be low on refrigerant. If that's the case, then you wanna look up here and check out that video there. But oftentimes it's gonna be airflow. Now, you could have, the coils could have gotten dirty as well over a period of time. The fan motor may not be spinning fast enough. Anything that causes airflow to slow down or is restricted is going to cause that system to ice over, and it needs to be taken care of immediately. So what you want to do is unplug that unit first thing and then get a bunch of towels and a vacuum, because there's going to be water melting all over the place and it's not all going to go down the drain. So you want to be, protect your property. That's one of the things you could do, and then give us a call, of course, and we'll come out and tell you exactly what happened. Our number's right here on the screen. I'm Kevin with Kalka Plumbing, Heating, and Air Conditioning.